So here's Jenna with Daddy.
Hi. He's waving.
And she's alert. Daddy's trying to play with her, but I think
Hi,
he wants
Jenna.
to eventually go to
Hi,
sleep.
Jenna. Do you want to see you? The people want to see you on the
Hey,
camera.
baby.
Hey, whoa. Good stretch there.
Baby girl.
Oh, you want to smile, Jenna? You want to smile?
Oh,
You
little
smile.
yawny, huh?
You want to smile?
Okay. So that's Jenna. And she's kind of figuring out her surroundings.
This is a little new outfit, purple outfit we just bought for her. There's the froggies on it. Matches her gloves.
Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl.
Yeah, look right in the camera. A smile? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.